Hi everyone, it's Marcus from CarTurf. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the safety and the emissions tag on your back plate, also the seals. Some of our customers are all over Germany and they want to pick up their vehicle in a different location. So what we can do is order the plates and the seals and the tags online and then send it to them and have them have it ready when they arrive at the dealership or wherever they're going to pick up their vehicle. So in order to legally drive in Germany, we need our plates, but we also need the safety and emissions tag, which is this one right here. And we can take a look at the documents. This is the registration for this vehicle, and you see that the HU, which is a safety and emissions inspection, is valid until May of 2027. And the tag here, we have in the middle the year 2027, and then we're going to put May at the 12 o'clock position on the back plate. We're going to take this one as the back plate. So what we'll do first is peel off this backing where the sticker is straight. We're going to line that up with the black line, and then we will fold that over and peel it off and press down with our fingers. So any person, police officer or traffic person, can look at a tag, a back plate, and see that the safety and emissions inspection is valid until May, so the 5th month of 2027. So that's how we read that tag. Once we have the tag on there, the emissions tag on there, we're going to take the seal, and one seal goes on each plate, the front plate and the back plate. We'll do the same thing here. We're gonna bend the sticker, peel off the back. We're gonna line that up with the back line again. Press down, pull the rest of the back peel off, press down with our fingers, and we're good to go on the back plate. And then we will get the front plate seal. Again, we'll take the backing off of the straight part, put that on the bottom, try to line up as best as you can, pull off the top backing part, press down with our fingers. Now we have our back plate that we pop on our car, and we have our front plate that we pop on the car, and we are legally allowed to drive our vehicle from the moment we put these plates on. So this allows us to help our customers wherever they're buying their car in Germany to get plates printed locally, or we can get it ahead of time in the mail. We can be very flexible with this method of registering the vehicle online, sending the plates and the seals to them. You can also get these plates printed right near the vehicle registration office where you are picking up the car. So you don't necessarily have to come to our office. We don't necessarily have to send these all in the mail. This allows us to be very flexible based on our customers' needs. So that's how we can register things online and then have you get on the road as fast as possible. And you can then apply these stickers when you get them in the mail. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions about CarTurf, reach out to us.